Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a template, resize, and export your design. By the end, you'll know how to start from a ready-made layout, switch it to the exact size you need, tidy up any shifting elements, and download it in the right format for your project. This process is perfect for beginners, and even if you're more advanced, you might pick up a few workflow tips to speed up your designing. Let's begin by opening a template. In the search bar, type what you're creating. Try phrases like Instagram, post, or presentation to see a wide range of options. Browse until you find a style that fits your vision, and click to open it. Starting from a template gives you a strong foundation, with fonts, colors, and layout already set, so you can focus on your content instead of building from scratch. Many creators use templates to maintain consistent branding, so if you have brand colors or logos, feel free to swap those in early for a polished look. Next, it's time to resize. Look to the top left and find the resize control. If you don't see it there, right-click on a blank area of the canvas and choose Resize from the menu. Resizing is perfect when you love a design but need it in a different shape for a specific platform or use case. This is especially important since each social platform has its preferred dimensions. Using the right size helps your post look sharp and avoids awkward cropping. Now choose your aspect ratio. You can pick from portrait, landscape, or square, depending on where your design will live. Portrait is great for vertical formats, landscape works well for wide screens, and square is ideal for many social feeds. If you already know the exact dimensions you need, enter custom dimensions to dial it in precisely. When you're ready to apply the change, click Resize to transform your current design. Or select Copy and Resize to create a new version while keeping the original intact. Using Copy and Resize is helpful when you want multiple sizes of the same design without losing your starting point. This is especially handy for repurposing content. For example, creating both an Instagram post and a YouTube thumbnail from the same design. After resizing, scan your layout. Some elements might shift, so nudge text boxes, images, and shapes back into place. Aim for balance, spacing, keep key text away from edges, and make minor adjustments to font size or alignment so everything feels intentional and readable. This is a good moment to zoom out and view your design as a whole. A quick visual check helps you spot anything that might feel off or unbalanced. Finally, export your work. Go to Share, then Download. Choose the format that best fits your needs. PNG if you want crisp graphics and sharp text. JPG for a smaller file size that's great for photos, MP4 if your design includes motion, or PDF if you're preparing something to print or share as a document. Once you've selected the type, proceed with the download and let the file export. If you're creating content for social media, I recommend exporting in the highest quality available. It helps your visuals stand out and maintains clarity across different devices. That's it. You've opened a template, resized it to the right aspect ratio, made quick adjustments, and exported it in the format you need. Save your project, and you're ready to share. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or drop your questions in the comments. I love helping creators improve their design workflow.